Welcome to another Baluchi grammar lesson. If you are keen to learn more about Baluchi language, then make sure you check out my mini course series as it's ideal for absolute beginners. Without blabbing too much, let's dive into this lesson. To say food in Baluchi, we say warak. Warak. War means eat. Bewar means to eat. Saying bring food would translate to warak bior. Warak bior. Or you can say bior warak. Bior warak. If I wanted to say don't bring food, we just change bior to mayor. Mayor. So bior means bring or to bring, and mayor means don't bring or not to bring. Now I want you to say don't bring me here. Mano edo mayor. Edo mano mayor. Or you can say mayor mano edo. Again, we have the flexibility to translate this sentence three ways. Here I need to add ma means don't or not to. Let me define it in the following ways. For example, to bring or not to bring. Bior, yo, mayor. Bior, yo, mayor. To do or not to do. Bekan, yo, makan. Bekan, yo, makan. To hit or not to hit. Bejan, yo, majan. To read or not to read. Bewan, yo, mawan. To write or not to write. Benebis, yo, manebis. To eat or not to eat. Bewar, yo, mawar. And lastly, to be or not to be. Now that is the question. Bebo, yo, mabu. Bebo, yo, mabu. Hopefully you get the gist of it now. Now translate the following sentence in Baluchi. Read or write. Bawan yo benibis. Bawan yo benibis. Or you could have just said one yo nibis. One yo nibis. But the first version with the be is more ideal for new learners. If I wanted to say read first, then write, it would translate as Buwan piesara gura benibis. Buwan piesara gura benibis. Or you can say piesara buwan gura benibis. How about this sentence? Bring food first, then eat. Biar warak piesara gura buar. Biar warak piesara gura buar. Or you can say warak biar piesara gura buar. Warak biar piesara gura buar. Or even you can translate it in the following way. Piesara warak biar gura buar. How about saying don't eat first? Don't eat first. Mawar piesero. Mawar piesero. Or piesero mawar. Piesero mawar. This is what I like about Baluchi. It's a very versatile language where you can translate a sentence in many different orders and still be understood in a correct way. And lastly, translate the following. Eat first, then read. Buar piesero, guro, buon. Or you can say, piesero buar, guro, buon. I hope you've enjoyed this short lesson.